In this video, I'm going to show how to use the plot that's up here on the top right of the tracker video. So I've already tracked a mass over a period of time. Now I'm going to grab hold of this, scoot it over so that the graph is much larger. So I'm getting rid of those things so I can really see the graph now. And I can also still see the table down at the bottom with the time, the X position, and the Y position. This is now a plot of the X position, that's the horizontal position, as a function of time in seconds, starting with the first frame that I decided to mark. So this gives you the plot of X as a function of t. If you want to plot Y as a function of t instead, all you have to do is click here on this X, and you see it says X position. Now it can be Y, which is the position Y component. So if I do that, this is now the vertical position as a function of time. So you can plot X or Y. There are other things as well. If you're interested in the velocity, here Vx is the velocity X component. So this shows the velocity going back and forth, and you can see zeros here. So you can see it's moving in the negative direction, moving in the positive direction, like that. So that's velocity in the X direction. You also have velocity in the Y direction. There's some other things we haven't learned about yet. Acceleration, X component. So now this is the acceleration in the X direction. You can also have acceleration in the Y direction. It also has magnitudes. So V, velocity magnitude, this is the speed. Magnitude of velocity is speed. Also, you can do the magnitude of the acceleration. And then there are a lot of other things down here that we haven't really talked about yet. So that is how you can use this graph. And if there is, for example, something that's very noisy, but these numbers are fairly constant. For example, if you're looking at something in Freefall, these values, if I plot acceleration, so acceleration Y component, they should be constant at around 9.8, negative 9.8 meters per second squared. If it's bouncing everywhere and you look over here on the scale, you can see probably it's around -9 or -10. You can actually change the scale. It's often good to set the bottom scale to be 0 or sometimes the top scale to be 0 so you can get a better feel for whether something's constant or not. So the way to set the scale, for example here, if I wanted it to end at 10 at the top, you just hold the mouse up here at the top corner, and then you can double click in this box and set it to be whatever you want it to be. So if I want 10, there. Now 10 is the top. If I want -10 at the bottom, I just hold my mouse here, type in -10. So now it's from -10 to +10. So and you can do the same thing on the horizontal axis, here and here.